Amazon sellers hate seller support. They hate Jeff Bezos. They are tired of Jeff Bezos cackling on his yacht, making money off their backs. Fun fact, Amazon charges sellers $140 billion annually in fees. Basically, Amazon is squeezing sellers. They have lost their ability to help sellers.
Motherfucker. Bezos.
When was the last time you filed a seller support ticket and got exactly what you needed or wanted in the first attempt? Like, that never happens. Seller support is a joke. My Tumblr business, I lost $250,000 on Amazon because they just nuked it. Just completely yanked it on Black Friday last year. And it's not fun. It really isn't. So there's just no alternative. It's a monopoly. It's the 800-pound gorilla that you have to dance with.